Introducing the 13-amp 1600 psi electric pressure washer from Greenworks tools. With the 13-amp universal motor, harness the cleaning power of water at 1,500 pounds per square inch and at a flow rate of 1.2 gallons per minute. With the Quick Connect nozzles, easily and conveniently switch between the 25 and 40 degree tips in no time. Clean all around the house thanks to the 35-foot long GFCI electric cable. Operate the washer in either the vertical or horizontal position. Fill the detergent tank with soap formulated for pressure washers to wash away tough stains and dirt. And the 20-foot reinforced non-marring hose prevents wear and tear while leaving no scuff marks on cleaned surfaces. The compact and lightweight design makes the 1600 psi pressure washer conveniently portable. With a 1-year warranty and Pressure Washer Manufacturers Association certification, the 13-amp 1600 psi pressure washer from Greenworks Tools promises to deliver where and when it counts. Greenworks Tools. Life gets easier.
Introducing Generac's new Speedwash pressure washer. It's built tough to help you tackle almost any cleaning project fast. The Speedwash pressure washer features best-in-class cleaning power with 3,200 psi. Generac's innovative power dial gun lets you switch between cleaning jobs right at your fingertips. Choose between 4 application settings: car, wood, concrete, and soap, to easily select the right pressure setting for your cleaning tasks. The power dial gun's ergonomic design and cushion grip provide a more comfortable grip while using the pressure washer. The unit comes with attachments that make cleaning easy and fast. Ideal for cleaning decks, patios, and driveways, the Power Broom makes cleaning jobs 4 times faster. The Power Broom minimizes overspray, and 4 high-pressure nozzles provide a 12-foot cleaning path for faster, uniform results. The turbo nozzle's rotating pinpoint stream agitates dirt out of porous surfaces, making it the perfect accessory. It cleans surfaces up to 30% faster than other nozzles. The Soap Blaster nozzle applies soap at high pressure, delivering 3 times the force of a standard soap nozzle, and removes tough stains faster. The 3200 Speedwash features a 30-foot heavy-duty flex hose that won't kink, resists abrasions, and won't mar work surfaces like driveways and decks. And 30 feet of hose means more cleaning radius and less moving the pressure washer around. The Speedwash pressure washer features a powerful, reliable Generac OHV engine. The high-quality brass head axial cam pump lasts up to 2 times longer than the competitive aluminum head pumps, and the large fuel tank means fewer fill-ups. The Speedwash features an easy-to-access onboard detergent tank to help you conveniently use cleaning solutions. When you have heavy-duty jobs but not a lot of time, Generac's Speedwash pressure washer blasts through cleaning projects fast.
Hi, thanks for checking out the MegaShot 2700 by Simpson. My name's Tim Wilkins. Let me show you how this powerful, gas-operated cleaning machine is just right for you. Like its big brothers, this Simpson machine is powered by a reliable Honda engine. The GCV 190 engine is the best engine in its class and not usually found on machines at this price point. I like the Pro-Style Quick Connect spray tips. Pick the one you want for the job you're doing to get that professional quality clean. The 2700 PSI has all the power we need to keep our stuff looking great and to protect our investments. Cars, boats, patio furniture, walkways, you name it, you can clean it. Connect the garden hose to the machine inlet using the quick connector. Turn the on-off switch to the on position and turn on the fuel valve. Next, pull the choke lever and briskly pull the starter rope. Once you get the MegaShot 2700 going, cleaning will be a breeze. No matter the task at hand, the MegaShot 2700 stands up to the challenge. Thanks for watching, and I hope this machine makes your life as easy as it does.
Hi, I'm Susie Perry, and as you may know, I love my cars. For me, a weekend isn't complete without making sure mine is looking its best for the week ahead. Driving in both the city and rural areas takes its toll on my car, from the smoggy air of urban life to the mud-soaked tarmac of country lanes. Today I'll be showing you how the Karcher high pressure washer is simple to use and perfect for tackling the grime build-up and hard to clean spots on your vehicle. I've got the Karcher K5 Eco HPW with me today, which combines both power and energy efficiency without compromising on results. This model allows you to reduce energy and water consumption by 20% for those times when you just don't need all the power. When you have your machine hooked up to the water supply, it's time to get cleaning. You can see that the K5 comes with a high pressure hose, a trigger gun and a range of accessories that can be stored neatly on the machine. This is great for keeping all of your tools at hand as you work your way around the vehicle. The first thing we need to do is to get the larger surface dirt off the vehicle. Now I attach the snow foam nozzle and apply a thick layer of Karcher's Ultra Foam Cleaner detergent. You can really see why it's referred to as snow foam. Leave the detergent for about a minute or two to take hold on the car's surface, then use the Karcher wash brush before using the spray lamps to blast it away, leaving the car with a sparkling clean surface that'll have your entire street jealous. That's not all though, you'd be surprised just how much dirt builds up on the undercarriage after a country drive. Connect this Karcher chassis cleaner to your machine, adjust the height of the spray so it's firmly up against the car's undercarriage. Then it's time to get rid of all the mud and salt with the cleaning power of a Karcher pressure washer. Lastly, we need to sort out these grimy alloys. It's no good having a sparkling car and shoddy wheels. Fortunately, Karcher have the ideal solution. Just spray on the detergent and use the Karcher wheel wash brush attachment to remove the accumulated dirt and brake dust that's built up. If you want to store your clean car on a spotless driveway, you can use the patio cleaner attachment included in the HPW Home package to blast away any dirt. And there you have it. The Karcher pressure washer and its range of innovative accessories are the most effective way of getting your car spotless from top to bottom, providing the ultimate solution for everything nature throws your way.
Welcome to Sunjoe's SPX3000. With over 3,500 five-star reviews and counting, this is America's #1 best-selling pressure washer. Clean smarter, not harder, with up to 2,030 PSI. That's enough power to clean any surface around your home. And while you're cleaning, you're only using 1.76 gallons of water per minute. That means you're cleaning more while using less water. This gas-free, eco-friendly, powerful universal motor is packed with 1,800 watts. And the 14.5 amp electric motor builds pressure so quickly that as soon as you hit that trigger, you are cleaning. No fumes, no fuss, no mess, and no stress. Our Sunjoe is equipped with dual detergent tanks. Our dual 0.9 liter tanks allow you to store 2 different types of detergent. How's that for convenience? You want to power wash the house? Wash your car? Why choose? You can do both with just the simple turn of a dial. Most pressure washer pumps run continuously when the unit is on, doomed to suffer an early end. That's why Sunjoe's exclusive total stop system is so critical. It automatically shuts off the pump and power when the trigger is not engaged, thereby saving energy, prolonging pump life, and extending the life of your valuable investment. Every SPX3000 comes equipped with 5 quick connect spray tips: 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, 40 degrees, and soap. Tackle light, medium, and heavy-duty cleaning tasks, from a punishing pinpoint jet to a powerful fan spray. You name it, you aim it, and grime is gone. Those aren't just words. It's a commitment to clean with a full 2 years of worry-free performance, season after season. Plus, the SPX3000 is backed by Sunjoe's incredible 30-day, no questions asked, money-back guarantee. If you're not convinced that the SPX3000 is the best pressure washer you've ever used, simply return it for a full refund.